So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this sliding text button animation in Framer. So let's jump in. So we're going to start by creating a new component. So we're going to go up to Assets, Components, and we're going to create a new component. And I'm going to call this Button and create. Cool. And so here we want to add in our text. So I'm going to type in button, then go up to layers and select your variant 1 or your button layer. And we're going to change the width to fit content and the height to fit content. Cool. And then we can give it some padding. So if we open this up, I'm going to give the top 8 pixels, the left and right 16, and the bottom 8 as well. So it should look something like this. And I'm also just going to round off the corners, so we're going to give it a radius of 999. And that gives us our basic button. So next, make sure you've got your layers open, and we're going to select our text layer or our button text, and I'm going to right click this, and we're just going to duplicate this layer. Now select both of your text layers, and again we're going to right click and we're going to add a stack. Cool. So now select one of your text layers, and we're going to look at its height. So its height is 38. So I'm just going to copy that where you can remember this. Now go back to your stack, and we're going to give our stack the same height. So 38. Cool. And now we just want to go down and change under layout the distribute from center to start. Cool. And our final step, if we scroll down, we want to change the overflow from visible to clip so we don't see our overflowing text. And that is how to create the basic primary button. Now we're going to create our hover state. So select your button, and we're going to click here and select hover. Now in your layers, under your hover variant, we're going to select our stack here, and all we need to do is change it from start to end. Now if we preview that, you can see we've created this sliding text animation. And if you want to adjust the animation at all, select your primary button, and it's going to have a default spring transition. So we can open this up. You can change the time, so the time of the animation. So if I bump this up to 1, and we can bump up the bounce, so it's on 0.2. So let's get a little bit crazy. We could go 0.8. And now if we preview that, we've got this pretty crazy bouncy sort of text animation. So you can play around with those settings to get the look that you're going for. But that is how to create a sliding text button animation in Framer. Now I'll leave the remix link in the description below so you can go try it out for yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching.